Are you using a ZWILLING electric kettle? Stop and check this recall alert. The CPSC just recalled ZWILLING Enfinigy electric kettles. The recall affects about 113,440 units in the United States. The problem is the handle can loosen or separate from the kettle. That can cause hot contents to spill, creating a serious burn hazard. Check for model numbers 53101-200, 53101-201, 53101-500, 501, 502, 503, or 504. The model number and ZWILLING name are on the bottom of the kettle and power base. The CPSC says to stop using the recalled kettle immediately and contact ZWILLING for a full refund. These were sold at HomeGoods and online from December 2019 through February 2026. Follow for recall alerts before they get missed.